Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the Chef's Kitchen.
I'm your host, Nicole Gaffney, and we're here today with Chef David Banks of Banks Seafood Kitchen and Raw Bar in Wilmington, Delaware.
Okay,
well, what are we making today?
We're doing some Raw Bar features, Latino-inspired tuna tartare. And if you don't mind, you're going to make the black pepper tuiles. It has cracked black pepper in it,
Nice,
so it'll want to tear. If it tears, you just keep smoothing it out.
Okay.
And then these go right to the oven. Takes about 5 minutes at 350.
Oh, so really fast.
This is the ahi tuna. This is available in most Asian stores. You can find, we made a condiment for this timbal. It's English cucumber, salt, and rice wine vinegar.
So avocado is going to be for the sort of Latin style
tartare? That's right. Simple ingredients. I put a little bit of the micro herb in there. I put a little salt. 2 halves of lime, squeeze them right in. Okay, tomato in this, tomato in that, garlic, micro herbs, cilantro in there. A little bit of chili pepper in there. You're gently mixing. This one, you're gonna do the avocado.
Avocado first.
And in between too. Right into the mold.
You're the boss.
All right, we can just press it down.
Okay.
Tabasco bottles, Liam Perrin bottle, anything.
Anything.
Just to compress this stuff just slightly.
This is great. So light, so fresh.
To see today's recipe, log on to chefskitchen.tv.